Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again today, which is 16th of August 2025, which is the holiday of the market. But I want to explain something important in the last week that happened, and I will show you how the effectiveness of the market structures and also in association with order block or rejection block and also the liquidity and how to deal with these concepts in a sideway or consolidation market. I wanted to see in daily time frame that how the daily time frame is very important in the market. As you can see, in this graph, which is the gold, there was sorry, this is the first. There was a daily fair value gap, or from the above of the market daily fair value gap, and also there was a breaker block also daily, which is I didn't use this law of the week because it doesn't coalesce with the fair value gap. So we'll take the body of the breaker block. This is an order block that it should push the price upward, but it has failed and the price moving down. So it is breaker block now, bearish breaker block. This is the first. The second thing I want to show you that this is a fair value gap, which is bullish fair value gap, and also a daily fair value gap. And there was also a breaker block, daily breaker block, which is coalesce with the fair value gap, also daily fair value gap. So there was an order block, a breaker block with fair value gap daily from the above the market, and also there was fair value gap and a breaker block from below. There was a fair value gap, a breaker block from the above, and fair value gap, a breaker block from the below. So the market stays sideways all these days. So when we change to H4, you can see how the market is moving sideways during the last time between these BDRA, between fair value gap daily, breaker block daily, which is bearish, and fair value gap daily and breaker block, which is bullish. When we change it to 15 minutes to see how the market move during this period, as you can see, there was a sideways movement in the market. You can see that there was a sideways. This is a sideways movement in the market, but it is a big sideways movement. I will color it in yellow color to see it very beautiful. So this is a sideway, which is very difficult. It needs some important information and some of the professional trader to trade this sideway market. And always don't enter in a full capacity of entrance in either market, so either bullish or bearish. In sideway you should take in a small position to enter. As you can see that the importance of the rejection block that I told it to you in the previously, when I show you that there was a breaker block, order block, or rejection block that make market structure shift. So the validity of the validity of the validity validity of a rejection block rejection block depend on first make sorry it make market structure shift. This is first. Second, associated with a fair value gap. Three, move move in the direction. Sorry, it move in the direction of buys. These are very important factors. These are very important factors to take the validity of rejection lock. I will show you this rejection lock. I showed it before, but I will show you again. This is a rejection block. You can see it, this a rejection block. Sorry, you can see this rejection block. It make market structure shift. So this is a market structure shift. Sorry, market structure shift. This is first. Make fair value gap, two fair value gap. This is first fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. And the third, it goes with the buys. Goes with the buys of the market. The buys of the market is more bearish, so it goes bearish with the market. So the price when return to it, you can sell again here in this area, which is very beautiful. You can sell again before the market moving sideways in these area. Okay. When in 15 minutes, as you can see, you can change it in 5 minutes to see how we enter in this market. This is a rejection block in 15 minutes and make market structure shift associated with fair value gap and goes with the buys. Okay, goes bearish. So when the market return to this area and taking the liquidity of these area, take the liquidity of this area. This taking liquidity, this is sell buy side liquidity. Take the liquidity of this area. I will change it to also the 3 minutes to see if there is a market structural shift. 1 minute to see again if there is a market structural shift. Sorry, of course there is a market structural shift. Of course. So as you can see, in 1 minute that the price is trying to pass above this area but failed. You can see in 1 minute there is a multiple rejection, but it is against the buys, so we will not take it in consideration. The market moving down, making market structural shift and with low momentum, but it is goes with the buys. You can sell here, you can sell here, you can sell here, you can sell here, and take the profit in this swing low, this 3344 from the 3357 to the 3344, or also the started 3348. Okay, it is difficult to be deal, but you can take it. You can take it and see how it take this liquidity and the price change its direction and moving low. So the market structure shift that happened here, this is one. I will show you in the graph. This is the how the market move and return to this area, then return, and then market structure shift, then return to this area, then return, sweep, sweep, then moving. Either your target this, or you can take the target more low if you can wait uh, more. Okay, this is on 1 minute. This is on 1 minute. This is the first. I will see if there is a fair value gap. It is not associated with fair value gap. On 30 seconds, I will see it on 30 seconds to see if there is a good signs to enter in these area. In 30 seconds, you can see how the market make these rejection from below, which is not significant because it is against the buys. You can see how the market structure shift and then moving down more and then return and then return. You can take the market here in this area. You can take market here in this area. You can sell in this area. Stop loss is 3363. Okay, and your target either this area or this area below. Swing low this or swing low more low this. So the rejection block is effective here. The rejection block on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, the validity of this rejection block. The first, it makes market structural shift. This is market structural shift. This is first, and associated with the fair value gap. Also, this is associated with two fair value gap, and it moves in the direction of the buy. So when we saw the price in this area, we can sell. This is very important to explain it. I will show you another something very important. I I see it in the last week. As you can see, the price is moving sideways in this area. Okay, and on 15 minutes, you can see that there is a rejection. This is a rejection, a block on 15 minutes on the side, in the above of the sideway, in the above of the sideway, and also slightly take the liquidity of this swing high. Just touch it or kiss it. Okay, this is swing high above. Okay, and the price we see it is in the sideway. When we change it to 5 minutes, nothing is significant other than market structure here that happened. On 3 minutes also, we can see that there is also a market structure. On 1 minute, you can see that the market, this is the rejection block, this is the rejection block, and the market, and this is the sideway of the market. Okay, and the market making a change in the state of delivery or market structure shift on 1 minute. You can see this is a market structure shift. Okay, and also another market structure shift, and also this is the break of structure. But the market returned to this and make a liquidity above here, the liquidity this here, as you can see. Sorry, sorry, in the top and center. Okay, as you can see, double top is a collection of liquidity. So the market make another break of structure in this area, break of structure, but suddenly the price moving upward, reaching this rejection block. How can you deal with this? You are already, if you take the price here, you will go out of the market if it is your stop loss is in this area, also in this area. But if it is above the rejection block, you are not out of the market. What happened? You should align the liquidity with the block and market structure. You aligned it, but suddenly this liquidity appear lately after market structure shift. So the price goes up suddenly to take this liquidity and touches the 15 minute rejection block, touches the 15 minutes rejection block, and then the market build up again market structure shift after taking the liquidity. So the market is need to take the liquidity above these double top, which is very attractive to the price to take it, and also make it this fake fair value gap, which is fake fair value gap. After that, you will wait. You will wait to make another, either the price moving up, either the price from this area. I will show you this this is fair value gap, and then you should wait that the price go upward, or no, it will respect the rejection block and then moving down, and that's what's happened because it is sideways, and that's what's happening. But how we can confirm that the price will not change its direction and move upward? I will show you. Once the price moving upward, then return we will wait to see this movement either moving up or down. It moved down and make this fair value gap, and they make this fair value gap. When it moved down and make a break of structure, and we know that and we aware that the price is sideways, so the price moving from this upper area of the consolidation towards the lower area of the consolidation, at least 3338. So we will take it from this area, we will take it from this area, and sell, sorry, and sell in this area to take a profit, at least to this swing low 3340 or 3.8, but the price moving more down. I will show you where it going, where it attracted to more down. On 30 second, we will see how the price move. The price moving here and then moving down, and this is fair value gap on 1 minute, and then moving down also on 15 second. You can see how the price move, and then market structure shift again here. Market structure shift here. So in this market structure shift here, you can also enter in this area. Oh, sorry, you can also enter in this area, and also there is a fair value gap, small fair value gap, and also this fair value gap, and moving down, then return the price here, and you can sell in this area again, because the price making market structure shift in this area, market structure shift in this area. Okay, so it will return to this fair value gap and this order block. You can see this order block and fair value gap, this fair value gap, and this order block making fair value gap and market structure shift. So it is valid and goes with the buys. I will again, this order block, what is the validity? I ask you about, I explain to you, sorry, about the validity of rejection block. When I explain to you the validity of the, sorry, on 15 minutes I will show you what I, uh, sorry, sorry, on 30 second, the validity of rejection block and the validity of the order block also on 15 second. You can see that what is the validity of the validity of this order block. This order block make a first fair value gap. It make market structure shift, and it moves in the direction of the price. So we can sell here when we see the price again in this area. So you can see how this movement is very rapid and beautiful. What it goes the price, what is directed, is the direction of the price. We'll show you the price first. Make a mitigation, this daily fair value gap in this area, mitigation, but in this area moving more, it directed towards the breaker block, daily breaker block. So the price reaching this breaker block daily, because in this movement it doesn't reach this breaker block. So, and their value gap was mitigated, but the breaker block daily is not mitigated, so the price directed toward it. You can see, how the price directed towards this PD array. Sorry, this PD array, which is very important to see. So the validity of the rejection block or breaker block. This is the validity of every types of order block, and and order, sorry, order block, rejection block, order block, breaker block. It should uh, contain make market structure shift associated with the fair value gap and move in the direction of the price. So it moves in the direction of the price. So we see that the price is moving sideways and make a rejection block on 15 minutes. This is 1 minute on 15 rejection block and make it liquidity. So the alignment, you see that the price, you look that the price after moving downward, after moving upward rapidly and touches the rejection block and moving downward, look for any signs of the market structure shift. It makes the market structure shift. We will not enter in this area. We will not enter in this area because we don't know if it is will move upward. But we will see if it is break this or break this. Yani we will see when the market building this. I will change its color to be in will change it to its color, to this color, okay, and this color. When the market moved in a direction, special direction, you should look for in this area if it is will move to break this or move to break this. But the price move to break this and then return to this fair value gap small, and then another. So you can sell here. You can sell here also on lower time frame, and you can sell here also and look for the validity of order block that is associated. So I will show you this order block, this order block, and this order block, and this order block also. This order block associated with fair value gap make a market structure shift and goes with the buys. So you can't sell here when the price revisit this area and then move down and then move again and then move down, making a market structure shift or breakout structure. We look for any signs that prove that this area is order block, rejection block, or breaker block. We will see that the fair value gap, market structure shift, and also goes with the buys. So we will sell here in this area, and the price move more and more to the its direction, which is the daily breaker block to be mitigated. Once the price touches, you can go out, or you can take your profit here. This is enough. I think it is enough. If you take the profit here, the law of the sideway. This is the law. Or take the profit here if you can wait more, or take the profit here. This is more and more. As you can see, I will show you. You can take the profit in three sides. You can see that either take profit from this low or swing low, or from the swing low this, or from the swing low this, and the price take the profit all of these three swing low and just touches the breaker block daily and then change its direction. So it is very beautiful to be taken in this area. I want to explain this because it is very important. I will make another video for the order block, rejection block, how we can make alignment of these order block, rejection block with the liquidity and also the market structure. You can't make um, a trade, a profitable trade, without alignment of these concepts: order block, rejection block, breaker block, market structure, and fair value gap, and the buys all associated with the liquidity. يعني I want to know that order block, rejection block, breaker block, valid of these concept is related to the market structure shift, fair value gap, and bias. And also, when we understand these concepts about the order block, breaker block, or rejection block, can go to the how can we trade the presence of market structure with the breaker block, order block, rejection block, and the liquidity. You can be a profitable. Thank you very much, my friend, and I'm waiting for another video for the um, to explain how we trade in the market. Thank you very much. Bye bye.